Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Express for social brand templates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Adobe Express and hit enter. Click on the official Adobe Express website link that appears in the search results. Once on the Adobe Express homepage, look for the Start Creating button. Click on the Start Creating button to proceed. If you already have an Adobe account, sign in using your email and password. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up. Follow the prompts to create a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the Templates section. Look for the option labeled Social Media Templates or Brand Templates. Click on the category that suits your needs. You will see a variety of pre-designed templates. Select a template that you would like to work with. Once you have chosen a template, click on it to start editing. The template will open in the Adobe Express editor. Customize the template by adding your brand colors and logos. You can also change the text and images within the template. Use the tools provided on the side panel for adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Download button. Choose your preferred file format for export. Save the file to your computer. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and used Adobe Express for social brand templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.